Now, I know what you're thinking. Why did you buy a cube from Amazon? And well, the answer to that question is, I don't know. But let's just open it up and see what we have inside. The Speed Ripper. Now, this box kinda reminds me of something. I can't quite remember what, but it does look quite familiar. Alright, joke aside, let's just open this up and see if it's actually any good. If I can. Oh. Okay, there we go. Oh, thank you. I can't be bothered reading that. And another box, really? Okay. So, that is useless. Alright, so here we are. And right off the bat, it's not very high quality. I don't know if it comes across on camera. No, it doesn't really, but there's kind of like... I don't know, I guess it's just dust. So before we get into first turns, I just want to state that this cube was around $22 Australian from Amazon. So for cheaper than that price, in fact, you could get the RS3 2020, which is a great speed cube. So obviously you shouldn't buy this, but let's see how it turns. Ooh. Kind of feels nice. The corner cutting is decent, I guess. So I guess as a speed cube, it's not all that bad. But for its price, like, this feels like a $5 cube, not a $22 cube, so yeah. Don't buy this. I don't know why I did. Well, for YouTube, obviously, but actually, I just want to see, is it actually, like... I think I've definitely seen these pieces before. If I find the cube, I'll put it on screen. I'm pretty sure this is just some other cube. Repackaged and sold for way more than it should be. So yeah, don't buy this cube. Its performance is alright, but it is not worth it. And oh, okay. It has even made me bleed. That's great. Now there's blood on the stickers. Let's do a solve to see how bad it really is. Alright, 16. That's actually not that terrible. So it is a decent performing speed cube, but as I said, not worth its price in any way, shape or form. It's not magnetic, not very high quality, performance is decent, and I'm pretty sure it is just a copy or the exact same thing as another cube. As I said, I can't remember right now, but if I do find it, I will have put it on screen. But yeah, long story short, don't buy this. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you next time, everyone.